How to post jobs on LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can post the jobs on LinkedIn. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to post jobs on LinkedIn, because maybe you're a hiring manager or a recruiter or just a company trying to post something, open up your LinkedIn app and go to the jobs tab over here. Once you're here on the jobs tab, right at the top right, you can see post a free job title. So tap on post a free job option, and right here you can see tell us who you're hiring. So first of all, you can add a job title, you can add the jobs company, the workplace, whether it is on-site, hybrid or remote jobs, whatever you're looking for here. Then you can add an employee location, which one you prefer, the job type, and type on right option here. And once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically add them. This way you should be able to post a job on LinkedIn. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.